Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel tick mark. First, open your Excel spreadsheet. We'll start by exploring the simplest ways to add a check mark, moving from basic symbol insertion to more dynamic methods. You'll learn how to make your data visually clear and professional, enhancing readability and analysis. Get ready to transform your spreadsheets with these practical techniques. To insert a symbol, go to the Insert tab, then click Symbol. Choose the Wingdings font and find your desired checkmark. Alternatively, type a capital P in a cell and change the font to Wingdings 2 for a quick check. For dynamic checks, select your data, go to Conditional Formatting, and create a new rule to display a checkmark icon set based on specific cell values. This makes your data instantly understandable. Custom number formats offer a powerful way to display tick marks without altering cell values. Right-click a cell, choose Format Cells, then Custom. Here, you can enter specific character codes, like Wingdings characters, to automatically show a checkmark when a cell contains a 1 or an X for a 0. This method keeps your underlying data clean while providing clear visual feedback, making your spreadsheets more intuitive. For advanced automation, consider using data validation with a list of options, then applying conditional formatting to display tick marks based on the selection. You can also combine tick marks with other visual elements, like color scales or data bars, for even richer insights. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This powerful robot vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.